Before I even get started with this video, let's tape up these side windows in this dumb welding mask. I thought it would be cool to have these side windows, but it's just lame. Distracting while you're trying to weld. I should get some new tape while I'm at it. The screen goes dark and there's still light coming in the sides. It's just so distracting. Now that the helmet's fixed, let's make a skate rail. If you watched my last video, you'll know I just got the Hobart IronMan 240, which I'm very excited about. It's capable of a lot more than a project like this, but I figured what better way to break in the new welder than a simple and quick project like this. I'll be using some scrap steel just like on the bench. This stuff is rusty and gross, so we'll have to clean it up first. But hey, there's nothing like using some old material. So we have this 2x1 that we'll use as our legs. This is 1 3/4 diameter 120 wall tubing. And I'm gonna get creative with the platform at the bottom. This isn't quite thick enough for what I would want, so we'll use a little bit of this 2x1 for part of the base, and then the thin stuff to extend the base a little further so that when Sam comes off the rail, he'll be able to roll over the thin stuff instead of getting caught in something big like that. We'll start by making a few cuts, we'll clean it up, and this will probably be a pretty quick project. With the cutting all finished, we can start to clean this stuff up now. And I have these strip discs that I got on Amazon. These do a great job cleaning off rust and paint. So I highly recommend that if you have to clean some nasty stuff. So here quickly is the setup. We'll have these as our bases, and then just to strengthen the base a little bit, put those there. Hope everyone's okay. These are 10.5 inches. We'll set these up like this. And then this is a shorter piece. It's good for demonstration. Put that right there. And that's going to be how we build this rail. So let's get this cleaned up and weld it together. These strip discs do a great job of cleaning off rust and paint, but be sure to stay away from sharp edges and corners because you can shred the disc up real quick. I also had to make one extra cut because I didn't measure right the first time around. This one will be fun. If you've ever had to grind rust off like this, you know the rust isn't that bad because it comes right off, but especially when you're working on something that's round, it takes forever to get it all off nice and clean. Oh man, talk about a hand cramp. All right, steel's all good to go. Last step before welding is to cut a little curve out of our legs so they fit the rail a little better. I apologize for the poor camera angle. I'm using a lap wheel to dig in and make the concave curve for these pieces. Have the center of everything marked. Now let's tack it together. In hindsight, I probably would have turned the heat up a little more for these welds. I know for this application it will absolutely not fail. The beads are just sitting on top a little more than I would like. Not too bad for a rookie. Put the rail. Cool. is a skate rail. I think Sam's gonna love this. It's not too tall. It's long enough. How cool is that? Gosh, I love making stuff out of nothing. It's so rad. All right, so I'm just gonna clean up. There's a couple tiny little spots of spatter. We'll clean that up, give it a quick paint job, and then I think we'll take it down to him. Hey, babe. All right.
That's how the girls
All right, that's how you do it here. How's it going?
Good.
What do you think of the rail?
Looks sweet, dude.
Pretty radical.
Pretty radical. Looks well made.
Thanks. Thanks.
That's what it's all about, right?
That's what it's all about.
Wow, dude, no way. What? How sick is this? Ooh, it's got a little weight behind it too. Are you kidding me? We about to go shoot the video or what, dude?
Let's go make a section.
This is so sick. Good.
How's the rail feel?
Feels solid.
Heck yeah.
Sturdy.
What do you think?
I love it, dude. Thank
Heck
you.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Oh, man.
Later. And there's Sam's rail. Hope you liked it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I hope this served as some inspiration for you to do in your own projects. You could do something like this with the $200 flux welder from Harbor Freight, the titanium 125. If you want to see more of my videos as they release, hit that subscribe and bell, and give it a like for the algorithm. Thank you all so much again. Catch you on the next one.